It is the first day of the van build trip. I've been too intertwined in the van build. It's the van life now. This is the first video of the van life trip. I gotta clean up. I've been working on the van non-stop. I've got like paint on my arm here. Yeah, there we go. I don't know if you guys can see the cat waving me off as I leave here. It's been an awesome summer of building the van, and now it's time to enjoy the reward of the hard work and actually go on a little road trip. Right off the bat, if you guys want to follow along with that, subscribe. It's going to be awesome. So anyway, I'm going to head off to the gym, shower for a change, and God, that's nasty. Bye goats. Bye goat. Bye mama kitty. Bye bird up there in the sky. Said bye to Noodles yesterday, so nobody worry about that. Bye chickens. Alright, it's the first day, first official trip. We'll see how this goes, I guess. I'm headed up to Minneapolis. I just got done hanging out with a friend in a smaller town in Minnesota. And that was a lot of fun. Now I'm gonna enjoy this drive. Kind of nice walking down the road to this waterfall. I think, I hope that's what's at the end of this road, otherwise I've been lied to. No waterfall yet, but I did find the river, so that's good. That's not that hard to find, so soon waterfall. All right, this is called Hidden Falls Park. And I feel like it's hidden on the rock somewhere, the waterfall. So I don't think I'm ever gonna find this thing. Not that good at hide and seek. That was nothing more than like a steep trail, a workout. It was a pretty trail, but very steep. But didn't ever see the waterfall. I think this is really the first big test to see if the van is still there when I get back. I'm almost certain it will be. The van is right here where I parked it, which boosts my confidence. I know every day isn't gonna be like this where I just eat on a bench looking out at the lake, but darn well could be. I know I gotta get to work at some point, but for now, this is the life right here. Found a new bucket list video board that I want to design for. It's the Minnesota Vikings pirate ship. Definitely on my list of things to design for now. The Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, and then this one's pretty special. This is the guy I was named after, right here in the bronze himself, Kirby Puckett. Does it say down there? Kirby Puckett. I was named after him. Sadly, not the pink puffball, but this guy right here. Look at the little dog. All right, yeah, I missed the last home game of the season by one day. I was gonna go to the game yesterday. Unfortunately, I was not in Minneapolis to go to it. That would've been a lot of fun. I grew up as a huge Minnesota Twins fan, so like, might as well stop by the stadium and look at it. So that's the first day of van life right there. I am camping at a Sam's Club I called and they said it was okay, so should be able to sleep safe and sound in here and get a good night's sleep without worrying about anything. Okay, I'm up. Day 2 of the van trip. I got a banana. I don't know why. Whatever. Currently 62 degrees in the van. I gotta think of some stuff to put up here. But yeah, I'm gonna head off to the gym. That's gonna be a normal routine for me. And then, yeah, I think it's art museums for the day. Well, the museums weren't a total bust. I went to one with my cousin. That was a lot of fun. And then I just went grocery shopping a little bit. The other museum that I wanted to go to was on the University of Minnesota's campus, and I figured out it's a Saturday, which means football. My bad. That was fun. Like, I don't think I'd ever get the chance to come out and do something like this if I was just, you know, not in a van, just traveling around. There it is. That's the promised land. It's my favorite fast food burger of all time.
Anything else?
And then what's the largest size of fries?
Extra large fry.
Okay, yeah, let's do the extra large fry as well.
A total of $27.90. See you at the next video.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. $27 seems like a lot. $27. Checkers and Rallies, best fries of all time, and the burger is darn good too. A large soda cup full of fries. But with that pretty much wraps up the trip, unless anything exciting happens tonight while I sleep. This is it. I'm ending on a good note. Rallies and checkers. Oh, love it. But yeah, take care. Subscribe if you want to. Appreciate it. Yeah, have fun. One time me and my dad went to a basketball game here and I had to pee before we got into the game and the gates weren't open yet. So I had to walk like a mile that way in the cold. It was like December. And pee in some bar like way down there. I remember that vividly. So shout out to the Timberwolves for not having bathrooms when they were remodeling the stadiums.